Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into 10 must-have hand tools that every professional and homeowner should keep in their toolkit. These tools are practical, reliable, and all available on Amazon. Let's get started. Number 1. DeWalt cordless screwdriver. When you think of a screwdriver, you probably imagine something simple and manual. The DeWalt cordless screwdriver takes that idea and adds just the right amount of power and convenience. It's small enough to fit in your tool bag, yet strong enough to handle everyday assembly jobs with ease. With up to 44 inch-pounds of torque, it drives screws quickly, and if you need extra force, you can finish by hand with up to 124 inch-pounds. The built-in battery keeps you moving. One charge can handle hundreds of screws, and recharging takes about an hour with a standard USB cable. A 6-stage torque adjustment gives you control, while soft start and low speed modes protect delicate materials. The quick load collet makes swapping bits fast, and 12 bits are included to cover most common tasks. Add in the LED light and battery indicator, and you've got a compact tool that feels familiar, but works smarter. Number 2. Elead 31-piece hex key set hex keys, or Allen wrenches, are one of those tools you don't think about until you need them, and then you're glad you've got the right size. The Elead 31-piece set makes sure you're covered, with both metric and SAE measurements ranging from the smallest precision sizes up to larger heavy-duty options. Each key is made from heat-treated steel with a black oxide finish, giving them strength and durability for stubborn fixings. You'll find 15 long keys for extra reach and 15 short keys for high leverage, so you can handle everything from delicate adjustments to tough bolts. A torque handle is included, adding extra force when you need it most. High visibility markings make it easy to grab the right size quickly, and the sturdy case keeps everything organized. Whether you're assembling furniture, tuning up a bike, or working on machinery, this set ensures you'll always have the right tool at hand. Number 3. SETI 80-piece magnetic impact nut driver set. When you're working with fasteners, having the right driver makes all the difference. The SETI 80-piece magnetic impact nut driver set is built to handle just about any project you throw at it. Made from tough chrome vanadium and S2 steel, these drivers are designed to resist shock and wear, with reinforced walls and a protective coating that adds durability. Each piece is magnetic, so screws and bolts stay secure while you work. No more fumbling or losing hardware mid-task. This set covers both metric and SAE sizes, and it doesn't stop there. You'll find socket adapters, drill extensions, a universal socket, and even a wing nut driver, making it versatile enough for garages, workshops, or home repairs. Everything fits neatly into a sturdy storage case, with clear size markings for quick selection. Whether you're a professional mechanic or tackling DIY projects at home, this set keeps you prepared and efficient. Number 4. Klein Tools D5073 Adjustable Wrench Set. An adjustable wrench is one of those tools that earns its place in every toolkit, and this 3-piece set from Klein Tools covers the essentials. You get 6-inch, 8-inch, and 10-inch wrenches, each forged from tough alloy steel to handle demanding jobs. The dipped handles give you a secure, comfortable grip, while the smooth turning knurl makes adjustments easy, even with one hand. What sets these wrenches apart is their extra capacity. Despite their compact size, they can take on larger fasteners, making them especially useful in tight spaces where a bigger wrench won't fit. Clear laser markings in both SAE and metric help you quickly gauge sizes, and the chrome-plated finish resists rust, keeping them reliable over time. Each handle also includes a tether hole, so you can secure or store them safely. Strong, versatile, and built to last, this set is ready for everything from household fixes to professional work. Number 5. Amartison 10-piece magnetic screwdriver set. A good screwdriver set is one of those basics you'll reach for time and time again, and this 10-piece set from Amartison covers the essentials. Inside, you'll find 5 Phillips and 5 slotted screwdrivers, giving you the flexibility to handle a wide range of everyday tasks. Each bar is made from chromium vanadium steel, built for durability, with a black finish blade and magnetic tips that hold screws securely in place. Comfort matters too, and the cushion grip handles make these screwdrivers easy to use, even during longer projects. The ergonomic design helps reduce strain while giving you better control. 2 portable key screwdrivers are included for quick fixes, and the entire set comes in a transparent storage bucket to keep everything organized and prevent loss. Whether you're tightening a hinge, assembling furniture, or working on electronics, this set gives you reliable tools that feel good in the hand and get the job done. Number 6. Auto EC Terminal Connector Removal Tool. If you've ever struggled with electrical connectors in a car, you know how frustrating they can be. The Auto EC Removal Tool is designed to make that job simple and safe. Instead of prying with fingernails or screwdrivers, this tool pops push-tab clips free cleanly, helping prevent broken locks and sore fingers. It works fast. Most clips release in just a couple of seconds, thanks to its dedicated tip that slides in and disengages stubborn tabs with one smooth motion. The dual-end design makes it especially useful in tight spaces, like narrow engine bays, where angles can be tricky. Built from high-carbon steel, it's rigid and durable, so it won't bend or wear out easily. It fits most common connectors, including sensors, injectors, and coils, across a wide range of vehicles. Compact and straightforward, it's one of those tools that saves time, reduces frustration, and earns a permanent spot in your toolbox. Number 7. Reesum Long Needle Nose Pliers Set. Sometimes repairs take you into tight, awkward spaces, and that's where long needle nose pliers really shine. This 5-piece set from Reesum gives you options for almost any situation. Inside, you'll find a straight nose, 45-degree and 90-degree bent noses, a circle nose, and a diagonal cutting nose. Each one is 11 inches long, giving you extra reach while keeping your hands safely away from sharp or hot surfaces. Made from drop-forged, heat-treated alloy steel, these pliers are built for strength and durability. The soft, non-slip PVC handles make them comfortable to use, even during longer jobs. With their slim design, they're perfect for bending wire, pulling fasteners, or gripping small parts that are just too tricky for fingers. Whether you're working in a garage, on construction projects, or tackling detailed automotive repairs, this set gives you precision and control. And when you're done, they store neatly in a canvas bag, ready for the next task. Number 8. IGAN P 6 side cutter clippers clean cuts can make all the difference, especially when you're working with wires or delicate materials. The IGAN P 6 side cutter clippers are designed for precision, with an extra long cutting edge that handles electrical wire up to 12 Aruban florins with ease. The blades are shaped for flush cutting, leaving a smooth, flat finish that looks neat and professional. Made from chrome vanadium steel, these clippers are heat-treated for strength and durability, with a precision-ground angled head that makes them one of the toughest cutters in their class. At 6 inches long, they provide just the right leverage, and the spring-loaded mechanism helps reduce hand fatigue during repeated use. Whether you're trimming floral wire, cutting cable ties, or working on electrical projects, these clippers give you sharp, reliable performance. Simple, strong, and efficient, they're a tool that makes small tasks feel effortless and keeps your work looking clean. Number 9. DeWalt Screwdriver Bit Set. A reliable bit set can save you a lot of time, and this 40-piece DeWalt set is designed with that in mind. Each bit is CNC machined for a precise fit, which helps reduce slipping and keeps screws secure. That means fewer stripped heads and smoother results. The patented bit bar design makes it easy to remove and place bits exactly where you want them, while the clear lid lets you see everything at a glance. The set is impact-ready, built to handle high-torque cordless drivers, and features the FLEX TORQ zone that helps transfer torque more effectively. A magnetic screw lock sleeve is included to minimize drops and reduce wobble, keeping your work steady. Compact in size, the case fits neatly into DeWalt's Tough Case Plus system, so it's easy to organize and carry. Whether you're tackling heavy-duty projects or everyday repairs, this set gives you durable bits and smart storage that keep you prepared. Number 10. DeCopro 228-piece socket wrench set. If you're looking for one kit that covers almost everything, the DeCopro 228-piece socket wrench set is built for exactly that. Forged from high-quality steel and finished with polished chrome, the tools are strong, durable, and resistant to corrosion. Inside, you'll find a wide assortment of wrenches, ratchets, sockets, screwdrivers, pliers, and even a hammer, essential pieces for small repairs, DIY projects, or professional work. The 72-tooth ratchet makes direction changes smooth with just a 5-degree flick, while the variety of screwdriver bits ensures you're ready for different fasteners, from Phillips to star-shaped. Soft grip handles add comfort and control, making longer jobs easier on your hands. Everything is organized in a sturdy blow-molded case, designed to keep tools secure and easy to carry. With its unique black diamond pattern design, the case is both practical and stylish. For the home, garage, or workshop, this set is a complete solution that keeps you prepared.